If you're looking to start an online business in the UAE, getting an e-commerce license is your first step. A UAE e-commerce license allows you to legally sell products and services online, both within the UAE and internationally. First of all, we have to look into the required documents for an e-commerce license in UAE. We need passport copy, digital passport photo, and Emirates ID and visa copy for UAE residents. When you have all these documents, then you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Select a few names for your company. You will share these names to your license processing authority or consultant. They will check company name availability. So, at first stage, you should have at least 3 company names in your mind. Step 2. Decide a free zone from these 5 zones. Number 1, Dubai, South. Number 2, International Free Zone Authority. Number 3, Sharjah Airport Free Zone. Number 4, Sharjah Media City. Number 5, RAKEZ. Each free zone have its own pros and cons, so select a free zone carefully. You can compare costs, benefits, and limitations. Also, free zones are located in different states, so check which state license is better for you. I registered my license in Sharjah Media City Free Zone because it was cheaper than Dubai Free Zone. Step 3. Once you have decided free zone, then now you can apply for an e-commerce license. You can apply it directly with authorities, or you can hire a consultant for it. I personally hired A&A Associates for my license. You can Google their details and they can process your license. Step 4. Now after license application, you can also apply for your visa if you don't have a visa of UAE. Step 5. After license registration and visa application, you can finally open your company bank account for business transactions. Please ask your consultant to apply for your business bank account. My consultant applied WIO bank business account for me. WIO is digital bank and they will approve your bank account in few days. What is the average cost of an e-commerce license in Dubai for 2024? The cost varies depending on factors like location, number of visas, business structure, and activities, but typically ranges from AED 5,500 to AED 15,000. More you add activities and visas, it costs more, so it depends on business activities and also how many visas you need. And that's your quick guide to creating a UAE e-commerce license, the documents you need, and the costs for different free zones. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. In next video, we will explain documents required to open a business bank account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.